Hello, in this video we're going to use application Flowy14 to write an algorithm that determines the volume of a cube if its side has been provided. Let's go into the app Flowy14. To our dashboard here, we'll proceed to start designing our flow. To obtain the commands, you'll have to click the upper left commands option, and this will bring up the left hand side menu with all of the commands, which you can navigate to manually, or you can use the search option. So the very first command to begin designing our flow will always be the start command. So let's have this added. Then we'll need, for this exercise purposes, we'll need one input command. So let's just type in the word input. And it should be as one of the first top available commands. So one input command, and then we'll need two mathematical commands. So let's just type in the word math. By default, it comes with the plus sign, but while you have the command highlighted, you have the different options down below that you can turn the plus sign into. So in this case, we'll need two multiplication, so just click multiply, and then you can see the plus sign has turned into multiplication. So we'll need another one of these. And again, we need to turn the addition into multiplication. And now that we have our flow designed, we need to print the results. So we need an output command. So just type in the word output. And once you're satisfied with all of the commands added, you can close off the design by adding the command end. Alright, so now that we've designed our flow, we can start connecting the commands. So this is our input command, and this is our side of the cube. So we'll need to multiply it one side times second, and then the result by the third, and then the result times the side again. So this will be the second multiplication command, and then we'll print the result. So let's start by clicking into the input command and into the green area, which is the one and only available outbound data connector. In turn, you will see all of the available highlighted inbound data connectors. So we'll need to connect our input command, in this case, to both of the inbound data connectors to have the side multiplied. So once you click off of the design, you can see the yellow arrows indicating how your commands have been connected. So now what we'll need to do, we'll need to connect the result of the multiplication of the two sides, and then we'll need to times that the side again. So we'll connect into this data connector, inbound data connector, the outbound data connector. So let's click into the first multiplication command. Let's click into its in green area outbound data connector, and into the first available inbound data connector on the second multiplication. And then let's click into our input command, into its outbound data connector, and into the inbound data connector on the multiplication command as well. So click off of the design, and you'll see how the commands have been connected. So you'll see that our result here is connected to the second multiplication command. So we'll do times the side of the cube, and then the result of it we need to connect to our output command to have it printed. So click into the result of our calculation of the cube, its volume, clicking to the green area, which is the outbound data connector, and into the one and only available inbound data connector on the output command. So now that you have successfully designed your flow and you've connected the commands, you can execute the flow by clicking the option Run. And our system here is asking us to input the measurement of the cube's size. So we'll choose, let's say, number 8, enter. So multiplication right here, 64 times the side again, 8. So the volume has been calculated and the result has been printed. So this concludes our exercise. That in this video we used application Flowy14 to write an algorithm that determines the volume of a cube if the side has been given. Thank you.